Is your cat snoring louder than a rock concert in your bedroom? It's not a cute performance. It's a respiratory SOS. Imagine your furry friend silently suffocating, with one nostril blocked, desperately fighting for air. They're not adorable, they're a warning. Just like when you're congested and feel like death warmed over, your cat's going through the same misery. Gently cover each nostril to test their breathing. If they struggle and try to escape, something's seriously wrong. A tissue rolled up like a tiny nose plunger becomes your secret weapon. Softly tickle their nostril, trigger a sneeze explosion, and clean up the aftermath. Cats are ninjas at hiding discomfort, but you're about to become their breathing superhero.